Welcome, writers. Are you ready? Are you sitting next to your partner? Do you have your writing binder? Do you have a pencil? If so, we are ready to begin. You may now open your binder to your writing intention sheet. On Friday, we talked about generating story ideas. Today, we are going to be learning how to write story blurbs. So in the date box, you are going to write today's date, which is 9-14. And in the next box, it says, today as a writer, I am working on, and we're going to fill in with writing story blurbs. I know that when I am looking for a new book, I either pick up the book and glance at the back or read a summary online to find out what the book is about. As authors of realistic fiction stories, it is important to collect some good story ideas. One way to do this is to create story blurbs or summaries of what our story is about. When writing story blurbs, we take parts of the story to create a little summary. Let's look at Because of Winn-Dixie. This is my summary. Opal was abandoned by her mother years ago. She moves with her father to a small town in Florida. Opal is very lonely and misses her old friends. She is ecstatic to find companionship with a rambunctious little dog she names Winn-Dixie. We are going to look at our small moment and story idea sheet we did Friday and write story blurbs about our small moment. Remember, they don't have to have happened, but it needs to be something that could actually happen. For my story blurb, I'm going to take my small moment that I thought about a strong emotion that I was feeling before, and it's feeling nervous about basketball tryouts. And my story idea is a girl is too short and afraid she isn't good enough to make the team. I'm going to take my story idea and now create a story blurb. My story blurb is, a girl, Jenny, decides she wants to try out for a special basketball team. It is a very competitive team. She is really short and nervous about trying out. The coach is scary and makes comments about her height. She does make the team because she shows how fast she is and can dribble really well. Right now, open your binder to your small moment sheet. You're going to pick one story idea you want to write your story blurb on. Turn and talk to your partner about what that story will be. Before you go off to start, remember, story blurbs are summaries of what your story will be about. You have a beginning, a middle, and an end. Go ahead and get started to write your story blurbs.